Good morning. What a fantastic vision of the future world. Thank you, Alex and Jerry. As you've seen, in 30 years, drones will be used to build our cities. But already today, they're becoming an essential tool in the toolkit of every surveyor. They're incredibly easy to use and can survey a site in a few hours at very high accuracies. If we had a survey available the day we start a new project, we could reduce engineering time. We could increase the quality of early designs, and we could take better decisions. Today, however, we're not yet there. Aerial mapping comes with a massive data processing problem. We now have to buy powerful computers for our engineering teams to even open the files. But even worse, we now have highly trained people zooming into large data sets and labeling pavement markings and finding manholes. I am here today because there is a better way. At AirWorks, we've developed a software platform powered by artificial intelligence that automates the aerial mapping process. Our software detects objects in these aerial data sets and automatically generates a standard engineering-based map in CAD or GIS. So instead of labeling these data sets manually in weeks of work, our algorithm that we spun out of MIT can now analyze the site in under 1 hour. Artificial intelligence has the power to help with simple, repetitive tasks and give your engineers more time for quality control and design work. This is why companies like Coastal Engineering are FM Global, already working with AirWorks. Now, I'm incredibly excited to launch the AirWorks software today, here at ASCE, as part of the Future World Vision. You can sign up for the pre-release version at airworks.io and learn more at our booth in the Experience Pavilion, which is right across the floating city. Today, artificial intelligence has arrived in surveying and engineering. It will help us to understand our world better and take better decisions. We hope that you will join us on that journey. Thank you, and have a fantastic conference.